first consider the expression for negative 5 plus the quantity of 4 times x. Now take the product of negative 8 and that expression, and then add 6. So let's do it step by step. First, we're going to have this expression, negative 5 plus something. So it's going to be negative 5 plus the quantity of 4 times x. The quantity of 4 times x, well, that's just going to be 4x. So it's going to be negative 5 plus 4x. So that's this expression up here. Now take the product of negative 8. So we're going to take negative 8. And we're going to multiply the product of negative 8 and that expression. So we're going to take negative 8 and multiply it. So that expression is this thing. That expression is this thing right over here. So the product, if we say the product of negative 8 and that expression, is going to be negative 8 times that expression. That expression is negative 5 plus 4x. So that's negative 8. That's that expression. The product of the two, so we could put a multiplication sign there, or we could just leave that out, and implicitly it would mean multiplication. Take the product of negative 8 and that expression, and then add 6. So that's, and then add 6. So that would be then adding 6 right over here. So we could write it as negative 8, open parentheses, negative 5 plus 4x, and then add 6. Let's do one more. First, consider the expression, the sum of 7 and, so that's going to be 7 plus something, and the product of negative 2 and x. The product of negative 2 and x is negative 2x. Negative 2x. So it's 7 plus negative 2x. We could write that as 7 minus 2x. So this is equal to 7 minus 2x. These are the same expression. What expression would be 4 plus, so now we're saying 4 plus the quantity of 2 times that expression. So it's going to be 4 plus some quantity. 4 plus the quantity, I'll put that in parentheses. The quantity of 2 times, do this in magenta, of 2 times that expression, or in yellow. 2 times that expression, let me do this in blue. That expression is this thing right over here. So the 4 plus the quantity of 2 times that expression, 2 times 7 minus 2x. And we are done.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm the Azraq Masal Slik. Yani 6 minus the product of the 3 at the number x. Qarasanglar men 6 degeni 6. İngilizce azraq xudiqallaq kichik bolalarni balkim birda uni qilishni uqish mumkin. 6 minus degeni elish. The product of producting ko'paytma. 3 and the number x. 6 olaman 3 bilan x ning ko'paytmasini. Shuning bilan 6 olaman 3 ko'paytvan degan chekit yozsanglarmi, chekit yozmasanglarmi bo'laverdi. Shuni 3 6 olaman 3 Shuni check answer to'g'ri deydi. Video how to write expressions with variables and parentheses. Anda shu tirnakni o'z ichiga olgan tanglimini qanday qilamiz? Expression degani qanday ma'no tarjima qilib qo'y. Expression ifoda. Shu ifodalash. Shu tanglimni ustiga ifodani qanday tuzib chiqamiz dedi. Masalan, birinchi misolga qarasak, first consider expression for negative 5 plus the quantity of 4 times x. Minus 5 ga plus degani shu qo'shish the quantity of 4 times x. 4 times x degani shu 4 ni x ko'payt degani. 4 ko'paytilgan 2x. 4x ga minus 5 ni qo'shsak necha bo'ldi dedi. Mush ifodani tuzib chiqqan dedi. Buni qo'shsak shu minus 5 ni yozamiz. Qo'shiman 4 times x. 4 times x degani 4 ko'paytman 2x. Ya'ni 4x. Anda ikkinchi jumla qarasanglar, now take the product of negative 8 and the expression and then add 6. Avval amda dedim, take the product of, product degan ko'paytma, tungun Tungi videoda degandim, product degan ko'paytma. Negative 8 minus 8 and the expression and then add 6 and then add 6. Mushu minus 6 bilan ma ifodani ko'paytmasiga 6 ni qo'shing deydi. Minus 6 ga ma ifodani ko'paytsak, ya'ni buni tirnaq ichiga olishimiz kerak-da. Shu bugungi ma videoning maqsadi shu ekan, bunda tirnaq ishlatish. Ya'ni bunda minus 6 ga mushu tirnaq ichida ma ifoda bor, unda mushu ikkisini ko'paytmasiga andan 6 ni qo'sh deydi. Hozir ma ko'paytish bo'lganki, avval ko'paytish ishlaymiz, unda qo'shish ishlaymiz. Shunga bu ma'ni tirnaqning ichiga elishimizning hojati yo'q. Ikkinchi misol qarasanglar, first consider expression for the sum of 7 and the product of negative 2 and x. The sum degan yig'inda 7 7 bilan minus 2 ko'paytirilgan ikkisini ko'paytmasining yig'indisi deydi. Avval ma kayinni ishlayotsak, minus 2 bilan x'ning ko'paytmasi minus 2x. Andan qo'shiman 7. Ya'ni 7 qo'shiman minus 2x. Bu teng 7 alaman 2x. Ma plus minus teng. Andan ma ikkinchi jumlada 4 plus the quantity of 2 times that expression. 4 qo'shiman the quantity of 2 times that expression. Mush ifodanining 2 aslikiga 4 ni qo'shsan deydi. Ma ifodani 2 aslikiga desa, mana cho'qim tirnaq qilishimiz kerak-da, endi mayar elish bo'lgandan keyin tirnaq qilmasak boshqa ko'paytish ishlanib qoldi, shuni tirnaq qilishimiz kerak. Tirnaq qilib 2 ko'paytiman 7 alaman 2x. Amaliyotda mana bu qizil tirnaqni yozsak bo'ldi. Shu yozishni tanlab tursalma. Mana bugun mana besib qo'yaman bu. Mana misollar bor ekan. First consider expression for 5 plus the product of 6 and x. Product of 6 and x degani 6 bilan x ni ko'paytmasi. Buning 5 ni qo'sh deydi. Buni maviga qarasanglar qaysi 5x qo'shiman 6. Ya 6x qo'shiman 5. Shunga mana 6x qo'shiman 5. And then now select the answer that matches the following. The quotient of the above expression and 5. The quotient degani bölüngichi, ya'ni quotient bölünme. Bölüngich debdim men, bölünme. Qarasanglar bu
Let's do some examples of the writing. Write the algebraic expressions that represent the same.
Qarasanglar bu hozir the quotient of the above expression and 5. Mau hozir men yozayman. Smooth draw. Hozir birinchisi 5 qo'shman 6x bo'ldi, shundaymi? And the quotient of the above expression and 5. Mushuni 5 ga bo'l deydi. Buni 5 ga bo'lsak 5x qo'shman 6. 5 6 5 5 1. 5 plus the product of 6x. 6 and x. Hozir mana qilsak 1 qo'shiman 6x bo'laman 5. Bunda javob yo'q ekan. The quotient of the above expression and 5. Hozir ma to'g'ri, ana lekin semikin desam hozir ma 1 qo'shman emas, qo'shilgan 5 deb yozib qo'yibdi. Ama 4 javobning hech qaysi emas deb moya degan bir tanlash bor ekan. Nanaqti bu? Hech qaysi emas deb. O'sha tanlab boqay, cho'qimish to'g'ri. To'g'ri dedi u. Mana shu to'g'ri javobi mana shu. Hozir meni tirnaq ichida yozsam 5 qo'shman 6x bölüben 5. Hozir ma nimaga teng desanglar? Ma ikkisini ayirib olsak 5 bölüben 5 qo'shiman 6 2 bölüben 5. 5 ni 5 ga bo'lsak necha? 1. Shuni 1 qo'shiman 6 2 bölüben 5. Ha mana. Qarasanglar bunda mana hozir men eshitgandek bunda javob yo'q ekan, mana 4 javobning orasida. Ha mana hozir men ilqinan hafta bu ish qaysi emas degan tanlasam, mana to'g'ri javob chiqibdi. Mana 6 2 qo'shiman 5 bölüben 5. Mana bu ustida yozgandek. Shuni tang. Ma'qulda bo'lsa xayr.